Truth is something that you cannot hide. You cannot cover it with your hands. You can't even pretend that you don't see it. It will, because it's always there. Come rain, comes on, it will remain there. It's not gonna go anywhere until people who know how to harness it will harness it and use it for the betterment of the people. A lot is going on. A lot is going on, and people are pretending not to see that, even though it's there in their eyes. Some of you who follow Ogenkere are or here on my comment section. Oh, you are under voodoo. Oh, they paid you. You are agent of darkness. What are you bringing for the Biafran freedom? Blah 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 blah. Then they refuse to tell you what they themselves are bringing to the table. We know what is going on, and Biafrans are not sleeping. They are aware of everything that's happening. Some of you may pretend as long as you can, but the truth remains the same. Like I always say, it's a matter of time. It will surface to the hearing us on the presence of anybody. People who have eyes will see it. Those who want to feel it will feel it. But it is always there. Truth is not something that you can just buy off. Why I'm saying this thing is because some of you who actually believe that COS is agent, is this, is that, and when we tell you the truth, you say, oh, they paid you off, they bought you over. That kind of attack needs to stop. If you are not sure of what you are saying about the people that are telling you the truth, then I advise you to remain calm, remain silent. It's not the more that you support everybody or you support what I'm saying, or believe me, my is to tell you the way I feel, what it is. All right, I'm not forcing you to believe me or anything at all. I've seen some comment on my video saying that I'm under voodoo, that COS, hypnotize many of us, that we are under, influence of voodoo or anything at all. Very, very funny. And you don't even know us. You don't even know what we represent. You don't even know what we are talking about. But your own is to buy into it and start talking. But I don't blame you. I only, feel like it is good for brethren to know what is happening. Then, there's this video here that I'm gonna share with you. That is a space of Indo Genkere group. Many of them are here on this platform. Some of them were holding spanner here on this platform. Okay, I've said this in the past, but I'm not gonna repeat it. Of course, once they hear this, they know that I'm talking about them. But it's not about you anymore, because the Biafran is bigger than any individual. And remember, we are commenting from outside, not an insider. Okay, I'm not an insider, and some of them are using it against me. Oh, you said you are not an insider, but you are talking about issue that has to do with insider. I don't know what kind of issue is that. Is it the finance or anything at all? Is it the identity of Ogenkere? Is it the way the allegation about Ogenkere traveling back to Finland, and the story coming out is that some individuals travel back and cover their face to give testimony, or to testify, not testimony, to testify against PM. And when I watch this our brother Remeju's video, when I watch his video, hearing that makes me go gaga. I feel so bad, because truly, if our people can say Mazimakano, they can do that. They can testify against him. Remember they covered Mazimakano's face when they brought him back, for him not to see the people that are behind the whole thing. Meaning that these are people that he normally see, maybe people who have called him as Oyendo a leader. They are part and parcel of the issue. Covering his face, Bibos are not questioning that. Why? The same thing happened in Finland, allegedly, because I'm not there. I was from that Remedios video. You can hear him, how he explained it. That some people, appeared in the court in Finland just to testify against PM, and they cover their face. Some of you that are following Ogenkere, who claim that Ogenkere is the right person, no, our able APM. Instead of I don't know, is he, maybe he should be ATM, because everything about him is money, money, money. So they said that Ogenkere is the right person, that he's in contact with army, with the structure, blah blah blah. Then he asked them, what has he achieved with that kind of thing that they are hijacking and dragging. They will tell you, just wait and see, because more is coming. That he's speaking with congressmen. The lobby in US is this, is that, because he's taking this pictures and signatures of congressmen. I don't know why, or if you want to use that, in case of any investigation letter or something like that against him. But remember, everything he claimed that he is, people have a different view on that. I don't want to venture into his activities in the past, because everything Biafrans are keeping the record. But for the sake of this video, we are gonna talk about the katakata that is now somehow coming out from the camp of Nkere. And that katakata is not something that is not worth talking at the moment, because it's still in a baby form. But believe you me, if care is not taken, it will escalate more. Biafrans in the camp, because in every 12 you have Judas, isn't it? Because Biafrans that are going there claiming that they are following Nkere, that CS is this, they have actually bought the idea of this propagandist. They are following him because they don't have what it takes to comprehend what is going on. And they are here lamenting. I'm gonna play this video. Like I said, you will hear this. Well, this is a Twitter space. Okay, so just hear this.
There are men who are doing their work. Therefore, they should do what is needful. And what is not needful, which Biafrans know that this man is not contributing to any BLA, but she's making you understand that even you who are saying you're contributing to BLA, what are you doing? You guys are doing nothing. Nobody's doing command. Nobody's giving any fucking command. Something needs to be done. We are not fools. If they are sitting over there doesn't know what to do, they should step down and let people want to do one thing and let them do it. Enough is enough. If they don't know what, go and tell the ATM that Biafran says, if you don't know what to do, step down. Let them who want to do
I support you, Onyisi.
Let them do what they need to do.
Enough of this, what this woman is
We are not playing anymore. We are not joking with anybody. Let them step down and let us do what we need to do. If you feel like you cannot handle it, you feel like she needs to handle it, let her handle it. If she cannot handle it, someone is there to handle it. Something needs to be done. Enough is enough. Thank you very much.
Ife have told me that they cannot publish the text message, but this woman is using that text message to be ruling her own cabal.
No,
what kind of thing is this one?
Nkiruka.
Any message, we cannot use text message, but she's using the same text message.
They can do other things, but anything coming from PM, they should not put it in public.
But this woman is using something coming from PM now.
We are not posting anything from PM. If she wants to post it by herself,
any other thing that the government want to do, they can do it. But anything coming from PM should not come in public.
So let them
the government, our government doesn't post anything from PM. If she wants to post anything she feels she has as an evidence, please let her do it. Let her do it. But we don't contest it. Let us do what is needful. What is needful is what we want. And that is why sometimes Biafrans are saying we should not discuss about her, because we feel that we are not doing anything. If one thing can be done, one thing, just one thing, let her provide the evidences of her using just ordinary logos. Then we'll give her the go ahead. She doesn't provide it. Let them be put on check. Are they not staying abroad? We that is staying in homeland here, they are pushing us. What about you people abroad there? Something needs to be done. Something needs to be done. Let the government listen very carefully. If they don't know what to do, let them go and play all the tapes you have been playing every day and stop playing with us. I beg.
So after listening to this, you that are on my comment section telling me that I am a Sabo, they paid me, they bought me over, that I am here to commit, nuisance or anything. I don't know what you guys think about me, but truth of the matter is that whether you like me or you don't like me, okay, your ATM is not going to do anything at all. Just like this man here, that you have to just listen to him, just like what he's saying here, that nothing is going on. That if he's not going to do anything, then he should resign. More voices are gonna follow suit. It's a matter of time, because if you focus on propaganda, oh, it's Ngozi Rebels is this, Ngozi Rebels is that, what are you doing? Why some of us are quite patient to COS for now is because you guys hijacked all the, all the offices and what it takes to, move forward. Let me leave it at that, because I don't want to say more. You guys have done more harm than good. And the same you will quickly rush out. Oh, you guys stop talking, stop broadcasting, stop talking this. You are creating problem to this government. Then you ask them, what problem are you talking about? Why must you question Nkere? Because he's doing what we can see. We believe on him. We love him. Yeah, our ATM. Oh, our able ATM. All this nonsense is why we are kind of careful with some of you people. Because if you actually want, if you understand the pain and the agony that our people are going through in homeland, you wouldn't come on social media or join the struggle just to siphon money and to blackmail. That's your own primary duty at the moment. Oh, she's this, she's a, how can a grown-up man open a space and all he could say there is COS is a government agent, oh she's a one Nigerian is, oh she's People's Club of Nigeria, oh Ngozi Fulani. The same you is praying and wishing that they detain her, wishing her bad, We all know that everything they're doing, everything you are supporting, some of you are supporting out of ignorance. I know that. But now that Biafrans are questioning Nkere, like I said, hopefully more will follow suit, because you cannot pretend that you know what you are not, that you are what you are not, that you know what you don't know and what you don't know. People's freedom should be number one. People's lives should be your priority. You don't just protect your own to destroy others. It doesn't work that way. Every sensible human being will know that this person is not for anything freedom of reference or to add any value. This man here that I just played his video, his voice note, you heard him saying that he should resign if he cannot. But he's hell bent in convincing Biafran for more money. As you are doing that, the chances of you losing more money, losing the one that you have is there. Because that's how God will work in a mysterious way. Giving support is good, but that support they give you, what are you going to use it for? Are you using it for your personal interest or for the betterment of the people? These are the questions that everybody needs to ask. So my people, like this video and comment. Tell me what you think about it. Do me a favor and share it. Very, very important. Bye bye for now.